Next up, exit through the Sector Alpha. For this we need to locate the 2 stairwell exits in the DRD and scan each exit with a Geiger Counter. This mission is super easy. Just make sure you head to Al Mazrah and take some okay gear with you. You will be heading into the Kushai complex. Obviously, if you have the Geiger Counter tactical on you, that's even better, but you can find one in the actual bunker itself, so you shouldn't need to worry about it. But of course, if you'd like, you can take one down with you by starting a nuclear materials contract, just to make absolutely sure you have it when you need it. All we need to do is head up to the Oasis entrance near Tarak village, all the way up in the north in the bottom left of D2 here. I spawned right next to it, which couldn't be better. Unfortunately, there aren't any nuclear material contracts near me, so we'll just go for it, and hopefully we can find what we need down there. It is a pretty common spawn, so you should be able to find one anyway. So entering in here, we could probably find one lying around in here, especially inside of the toolboxes. Nope, seems like we couldn't find one, so we'll just enter it anyway. Okay, so heading down here, we'll again hopefully find one. We should find one in one of these rooms here near the start. There we go. Sweet. Okay, so all we need to do is get through this first room here. This room should have no enemies in it, making it the easiest one. We'll just close this back door, which sometimes isn't necessary. There we go. And heading into the next area here, you should see this section here. This is the first stairwell, so we'll scan it, and just like that, the second part of this mission should be complete, giving us 1-1 for both of them. Then this next room should have AI in it, but we haven't yet got to the sentry turret, which is in the third and last room. So clearing out a few level 2 and level 3 AI, we should be able to close both of the bunker doors. And just like that, in the next area here, we should find the second stairwell, which then we can scan. And now the mission is complete. It's a super easy mission. I don't know why this is a story mission, but anyways. Now, as for securing these, I don't think it actually does anything, so we'll need to continue into the next area if you'd like to extract. It's maybe part of a bigger story, but anyways, you'll need to return to this in the next tier of the faction in order to finish this off. It's a very weak mission, so don't worry about doing them now. You'll be doing them in the next tier. Anyways, thank you all for watching. This super quick mission is now complete. My name is Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.